The anti-smartphone crosswalk. Will it catch on in Trieste?
It's good to walk with the phone in our hands. It's not a good thing.
Definitely shouldn't walk across the street while on your phone.
You think it's dangerous?
It's very dangerous, yes.
I was raised by pretty decent parents, so they told me whenever I cross the street not to look at my phone because you might get run over, I don't know.
It doesn't make sense for people like to just cross the roads while looking at their phones, it allows for possible incidents to happen, so I think it makes sense.
Yes, I did it before, but I don't think it's safe.
I must admit that I've done that. Although I think it's a bit dangerous. I shouldn't have.
This is probably a good thing in terms of safety. I don't normally do it myself when I get to a crossing.
This is my first time here. When people are flying around those corners, it gets a little spicy sometimes.
Honestly, I think safety is the most important thing, and if you need to look at your phone, you can wait 10 steps crossing the street.
I think walking on your phone is the same as driving on your phone. You can't have it. It's very dangerous. Don't do it, guys. Stay safe.